going to be singing Stars from Les Mis. Thanks, Andy. Cheers.
There, out in the darkness, a fugitive running, fallen from God, fallen from grace. God be my witness, I never shall yield till we come face to face. Till we come face to face. He knows his way in the dark. Mine is the way of the Lord. And those who follow the path of the righteous shall have their rewards. And if you fall as those that fell, the flame, the sword. In your multitudes, scarce to be counted, filling the darkness with order and light. You are the sentinels, silent and sure, keeping watch in the night, keeping watch in the night. You know your place in the skies. You hold your course in your aim, and each in your seasons returns and returns, and is always the same.